सर दो चीजें हैं सर, एक सर एप्स्टीन केस सर, 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं। नहीं क्यों बोल रहे? आई विल नॉट अलाउ यू। आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए, आप बैठिए। नहीं देखिए, आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया, किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया।
Okay, Speaker sir, वो एप्स्टीन की बात नहीं कर रहा।
is not related with the budget.
Okay sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow that.
I'm not saying Epstein. Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के कोई सदस्य नहीं, जिस पे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे सवाल देंगे? किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं। अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
स्पीकर सर,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़े।
तो बोलने तो
आप नियम जानिए।
आप सर, अदानी जी जो है,
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित रहिए। देखिए, आप जो भी जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
स्पीकर सर,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़े।
तो बोलने तो
आप नियम जानिए।
आप सर, अदानी जी जो
सर सर्टेनली
नियम जानते हैं।
ऑलरेडी मिनिस्टर
हर समय बात उठाना ही है, बिना मतलब से आप पॉइंट बढ़ाते रहते हैं।
You have made your point. You have made your point.
Whenever the leader of opposition speaking in the house, that too in a budget discussion, Honorable Finance Minister presents his conventional sir.
Already Finance Minister said he is here.
Not here.
Please, Rahul
Finance
Gandhi.
Minister
Please,
not
Rahul
here.
Gandhi. Please, you take
Okay,
over.
yes, sir. You decide whatever you want.
No, I'm not. I think so.
Please don't.
क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
it is targeted, sir,
There are-
at the financial
there are so many
network
companies.
of the
No,
BJP,
no,
at
no,
the
you are
financial
charging-
architecture of the
you are
BJP.
leveling charges against higher authority, and only you can speak. जी please. श्री रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, क्या है पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर क्या है? व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर?
बिल्कुल।
व्हाट इज योर पॉइंट?
गलत बयानी करना इनके हाथ में नहीं है। टिपिकली सुनाते हैं।
श्री प्रहलाद जोशी जी, किरण रिजिजू जी,
हम लोगों ने बार बार कहा,
श्री
हम लोग बहुत शांति से
पार्लियामेंट्री
सुन रहे
अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर,
आई एम वेरी
पूरा सदन सुन रहा है। पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर साहब, इनको
सर,
पूरा सदन
हम आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना चाहते हैं, बट व्हेन यू आर लेवलिंग सीरियस चार्जेस without any reason, without any backing of substance, without any proof, you are just
Okay, one
making any
second.
wild
One second.
allegation
I'll give you a reason.
that will
Give me.
diminish your own
I'll give you
position.
a reason. I'll give
You
you a
are
reason.
leader of the opposition.
Okay.
Please make substantive point.
Yes,
We
I
are
will.
here to listen to your suggestion.
I will.
If you give good suggestion, we will listen.
Yeah, I will.
We are
Now
here
let
to
me
listen,
speak.
but don't make wild allegation.
I will. Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
मिस्टर चेयर,
to Epstein.
मिस्टर राहुल, नो
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल
Sir,
अंबानी
I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr.
से
Hardeep Puri knows who
आप ये
introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी हो,
हरदीप पुरी है,
या
सर।
रानी हो,
Hardeep
जिनको-
Puri is a
जिनको
member
अपनी
of parliament
बात
here.
का आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए, a member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on its agreement. तो प्लीज आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें
उनको रविशंकर जी बोलना चाहते हैं।
पॉइंट आउट किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी
While he speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office authority unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्हें प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए.
ठीक
It is completely against the rule.
नहीं, अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए, एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए, उन्होंने 352 कहा है, लेकिन मैं नहीं, सौगत राय जी नहीं, मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ. आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए, नहीं ऐसे देखिए, नहीं whatever Rahul has made allegation that will not go on the record. And now you can speak.
1 minute,
No.
sir. 1
You
minute,
have
sir.
made allegation.
Yes,
You have made
I agree,
allegation
sir.
that
Sir,
will not go on the record. This is mine.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
Yeah, I'm reading
Sir,
350.
1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352 mentioning about Ravishankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former prime minister. Two former prime ministers. Where was this rule 352?
Applicable
That
to
point of time?
everybody, not only
Where
for
was-
him, not only for him.
Where was
That will be applicable. Please communicate it.
That is only
That is applicable for to him. Please, Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker sir, Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain his, whatever you are labeling charges against him, I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, I think file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No, you are mentioning it. How if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul, you.
So I will tell you what. I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? Because you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
and I
Speaker,
think
sir.
why you are just
Speaker sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a
Ex, huh?
special favor today, sir.
नहीं,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना ये भी कार्रवाई हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member